The following portion of the Arizona Daily Mix is sponsored on behalf of American Academy of Physician Associates by DS Simon Media.
AAPA 2024 is the world's largest conference for PAs. I talked with the president and chair of American Academy of Physician Assistants Board of Directors, who is highlighting the trends and innovations shaping the future of healthcare. Good morning, Felucio. How are you this morning?
I'm great to be with you, Brad. Thanks for having me.
Well, I'll tell you, this is a very important topic, especially for 2024, and that is the AAPA's, of course, latest findings coming out this year. Let's talk a little about that.
Yes, so we are here in Houston attending our annual conference. This is the largest opportunity for PAs across the country to kind of come together and learn about emerging trends in healthcare, how we can continue to take tools that we're learning here and go back to our communities and really help to enhance the care that we're delivering to patients. And this year, our theme is really around emerging technologies, AI being one of those technology tools that we're excited to learn more about.
All right, you said something important right there, and that's technology. So how is this impacting the future of healthcare?
Yeah, so AI and other technological tools are going to be part and parcel of the care that we deliver to our patients every single day. One quick way to do that is what we're learning about wearables. So whether it be smartwatches or little buttons that you put in your pocket that can measure the ongoing status of a patient, the vital signs of a patient, and transmit that information in real time to providers so that we can intervene and get to taking care of those patients in a much quicker way. That's just one quick example of how technology is really going to help to influence the care that we deliver moving forward.
Yeah, man, very important. Okay, one thing we're hearing, and that is the shortage in the workforce, especially in healthcare. So how are PAs going to alleviate some of those problems?
Absolutely. So PAs are trained in all medical and surgical subspecialties and available to deliver quality care across all spectrums. But it's important that we also mimic the communities that we look like, that we engaged in, and we want to make sure that PAs are available to be able to deliver those care mechanisms. We are part of the solution towards the healthcare workforce shortages that we see across the country. Patients can call a practice and say, can I see a PA? And that we can help hopefully be able to see that patient in a much more rapid mechanism. So PAs deliver quality care across the country, and we can be part of that solution.
Yeah, and we know PAs are so important. So talk about how they, of course, play a big part in addressing the healthcare disparities that we have out there.
So healthcare disparities are a major challenge across the country. PAs are equally important to make sure that we are delivering care to the communities that we serve in and that we look like those communities. We're part of those communities. One of the ways in which the AAPA is facilitating this is by our project called Project Access, where we go to to middle and high school kids in minority communities or underrepresented communities and train them about what it means to be a PA as they are making decisions in their early stages to get into medicine. If we can continue to train PAs to look like the communities and to come from those communities, then that will help in terms of decreasing the health disparities that we have and see across the country.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you, here in Arizona, we have some amazing courses. We have some amazing schools for PAs. So I know they want to get involved, and I know people want to know more about what AAPA is doing. So how can they find more information?
Yes, they can go to pasgobeyond.com, pasgobeyond.com, to learn about what it means to be a PA and how PAs are continuing to deliver quality care to patients in your community there in Arizona.
I love it. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.
The preceding portion of the Arizona Daily Mix was sponsored on behalf of American Academy of Physician Associates by DS Simon Media.